Hello, my name's Kat Sinclair. I am a professional face painter. I've been painting for 8 years. I'm going to show you some tips, tricks and techniques for doing your own face painting at home. I'm going to show you how to do cheek face painting. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do double dipping on the brush. First of all, you load your brush in one colour, which I'm going to use white. You make sure your brush is completely covered in that colour right up to the metal part. And then what you want to do is get the end of the brush and just dibble it in some paint of a different colour. And here I'm choosing red. So then you have two colours on one brush. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to paint some flowers. So you just get your brush, you start off perpendicular to the face and then just lay it down so you've got a nice flower petal there. And then you keep going so you've got a whole flower. Then perhaps another flower here and another flower there. And then you clean the brush, and for this part, for the leaves, I'm going to sideways load the brush in two colours. So I'm going to start off with a light green and keeping the brush so that the colour only goes on one side of the brush. Load it with light green and then turn it over and load the other side in dark green. So that means we've got two colours on one brush side by side like that. And then with that we can do some interesting looking leaves. And then I'm going to get a smaller brush, this one, and load that with yellow. Oops, ignore that. And that's going to be for the pollen in the middle of the flower. And then some more yellow, and then double dip that one as well into the red. And we'll add some smaller flowers around the big ones. Again, just holding the brush perpendicular to the face and then laying it down flat so that you get the two colours in a petal shape. And then I'm going to get another small brush and load that with white. And add some little small details, just a few dots, and then a swirl coming off the flower. Just start off with the tip of the brush, push it down a little bit, and then twist it between your fingers to come round. And do a teardrop coming off this side. Then another swirl here. Start with the tip of the brush, come down, and twist it as you go. And then a few more dots around here. And that's how to do cheek face painting.